So now we're going on to topic 2, which is all about our riders. So with our health insurance policies, we have 2 to 3 major riders that we want to take a look at, and they're very short, and we've already really talked about them in life insurance, but I do want to bring them up here again because they apply to health insurance as well. So again, we have our impairment or exclusions right? So we already saw this with topic 1 with provisions, right? But we also have riders, right, that exclude coverage for certain medical conditions or disabilities that the insured already has at the time of policy issuance. And so now remember, right, with exclusions, right, they have to already exist at the time of policy issuance, right? They are pre-existing, right? They are conditions that were already there right before or during the policy issuance. Now, when we look at the guaranteed insurability rider, we talked about this a lot in the previous modules with life insurance, right? And this states that the policyholder can purchase additional coverage at specific times without providing evidence of insurability. So the key thing is that you can provide a purchase additional coverage, usually at specific ages, right? If you want to become more specific with that, without providing evidence of insurability, right? Without providing evidence of a medical report. And so, right, these are add-ons. Remember, riders serve like as those add-ons to a policy that the policyholder can utilize. And then the third rider that we want to take a look at is our future increase option, future increase rider. And we've taken a really good look at this because in life insurance, we've talked about the cost of living rider, and it's really similar to the future increase rider here. And so this allows the policyholder to increase their coverage amount at predetermined intervals or life events, right? So we look at in this case, right, whenever the policyholder might, right, bearing a child, if they become married, right, they might need additional coverage, right, especially maybe during childbirth, right, they might have a greater risk of right medical occurrences, and so right they are able to increase their coverage during that time, maybe during marriage, right, there might be specific events that occur too. There's also certain times we've looked at with occupation, right, in topic 1, that might allow for the policyholder to increase their coverage. And it really all depends on the specific insurance policy, and they do specify, right, what are the predetermined intervals, what are the predetermined life events. But we just do want to know that this rider is there. Now, if you take a look at this example problem here, an individual who had a heart murmur since birth is likely to be issued an individual disability policy that includes, well, we look at, right, this individual has a heart murmur, right, since birth. So it is a pre-existing condition, right? And so you're most likely to be issued a exclusion.